Alright, so we're given it's root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1, and the answer they've given is 2 minus root 3. And well, both of these are actually the same, but if they want you to give the answer in this form, I think I mean, you shouldn't have to simplify it. If they require you to do it, then I guess I'll just teach you how to do it quickly. So what you want to do basically is just rewrite this. So I'm going to rewrite this again, and what you need to do is multiply this term, this whole thing, with basically this denominator, so basically the same denominator, except this plus sign is changed into a minus. So I'm going to write this over here, root 3, except this plus is going to become a minus. Otherwise it's exactly the same. And the same thing is on the numerator, root 3 minus 1. And now I have this expression over here. And again, it's not complete. I'm going to have to simplify this. And I'm going to start with this numerator expression first, and then I'm going to solve the denominator after. So I'm gonna just do the top part. So I'm gonna just put this in brackets like that, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. So it becomes like this, and now I'm just gonna have to, expand this. So root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, and then root 3 into minus 1 is minus root 3, and this minus 1 into minus root 3 is again minus root 3, and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So that's my expression from the numerator, and I can do 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So I'll put that 4 here, and minus root 3 is equal to minus 2 root 3. And this is basically the numerator, or the top part, simplified. So I'm done with this. Now I have to simplify this denominator, and this one is a lot easier actually. Basically, when you have root 3 plus 1, which is this term, and root 3 minus 1, where the only difference is that this plus is a minus, and it could be the other way around as well. You could have a minus here or a plus here, it doesn't matter. So this literally simplifies to root 3 square minus 1 square. So you just take each term separately and square it like that. I take first root 3, and then I take the 1, right? And then this simplifies. So I'm going to write this as it is, 4 plus 2 root 3 minus, actually that's a minus, and root 3 square is equal to 3, and 1 square is equal to 1. So I'm left with this expression, and again I can simplify that to 1 minus 2 root 3 over 2. But that's still not done, because the answer is still different. So what you have to do now is actually take a common from the numerator. So I can see that 4 is equal to 2 into 2, and this also is a factor of 2. So I'll take 2 outside, and this 4 will now become a 2, and this 2 root 3 will just become root 3, and the denominator will remain as it is. So I'm just going to put this 2 over here, and then this and this cancel out because they're the same, and that just gives me 2 minus root 3. So yeah, this is pretty tricky. There's an entire procedure behind it, and I'm surprised they didn't teach you this, because this is pretty fundamental, especially when you're dealing with exact values like root 3 and numerators and denominators. So I mean, this answer is technically correct, so it should be accepted. But if they really want you to put it in this form, then you're gonna have to learn this way to simplify it. And there's many videos on YouTube. This is just a simple explanation, but it's basically called rationalizing the denominator. So you can search that if you want.